The kidneys are a pair of organs located in the back of the abdomen.
So here is a human body in which we have shown the kidney system inside. I'm going to walk around to show the human body in its three-dimensional view so you can see and examine it from all the sides. Right in between, right inside, as we see, there are a pair of kidneys with the urinary system in the back. I'm going to now pitch in and to resolve the man and see the system by itself. With the man dissolved and the system is now zoomed in, I'm going to further now zoom into the kidney alone by tapping on a kidney.
The kidneys' function are to filter the blood. All the blood in our bodies passes through the kidneys several times a day. The kidneys remove wastes, control the body's fluid balance, and regulate the balance of electrolytes.
So we have programmed to talk the high-level function in the background, and now I'm going around the kidney to see it in a three-dimensional view. That's the back, and now I'm seeing it from the right, where it shows the opening, the cut sections of the tracks. Now I'm going to see it, to examine it from inside. I'm going to cut it by saying cut section. Now the kidney is cut open, I can see the insides. Well, I just went too close. So there's a kidney opened, cut in half, allowing you to view inside and also the back. Now to examine each of these elements separately, distinctly, I'm going to separate those and expand the kidney by saying expand model. Well, here you go. The blood streams, the vessels, and all the kidney parts are now layered separately, or are separated in a separate layer, so you can individually study and examine them. Beautiful, isn't it? You can distinctly see them, understand their working once the model is in that mode. Now I'm going to bring them back together to reset them in a normal mode. Reset model. Well, now to study or to understand each components of the kidney, we have put 6 different spheres where you can click on to recognize or to understand, identify the different part by its label, by its name.